Welcome back to episode 2 in our new skincare device series. I'm very excited to be talking about something that is one of a kind on the market. This is a microcurrent device, but not just any microcurrent device. We're talking about micro and nanocurrent. And that is important because most other devices you get out there are just microcurrent. So we're talking about something that has an added feature that's going to give you longer lasting, fuller results. So, ta-da! We're talking about the Halo ZIIP. If you have not heard about it, settle in. We've got a full video today. This video is kindly sponsored by ZIIP, and this is one of, again, my very favorite devices. I only talk about the ones that are top tier. So far, you've heard me talk about Current Body's, both their face and their neck and décolleté mask. And this is the next one that I am talking about. This is, like I said, ZIIP Halo. We're gonna get all into it. I've got so much on it. I've got the science, I've got benefits, I've got results, I've got how-tos, all of it. And if you're enjoying this series of, the top tier, I'm not talking like I talk every device. I'm talking about the ones that I use on my face and love and have seen results from. So that's what we're doing. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. It always helps, and we'll get into the video right now. Okay, so this is the device. How beautiful is it? I've had mine for a while. Look at that, you can see my filming setup. And this retails for $399.99 normally. I do have a code, I will list it here and I will list it below. Like always, it is Dana10 and that gets you 10% off. That will get you this device for $360, but it also comes with a Discovery gel set. So I will post a picture of that here, and I'm gonna go into all of the gels in a little bit, but that's basically getting you 4 gels plus the device for $360 plus tax, of course, like depending on where you live. So a very good deal. You have to use the gel, so you're getting more of it for basically for free. So I think it's a very good deal, and I'm excited to talk about it. So we're gonna keep going, but I will talk about the gels in a second. So I wanna talk about the basics of this first. We've talked about the price, but I also wanna talk about how much you use it, why you need to use it, what it treats, so on and so forth. So for this device, just like the Current Body mask, the LED mask, you do have to use it consistently. I feel like that shouldn't be that crazy of a statement. It's just like anything. Like and I always liken physical exercise to mental exercise. And so then we're gonna use the same kind of analogy for skincare and skin science. If you use this once, you may see results, but you're not gonna see long-lasting results because you've used it once. It's the same with going to the gym. You go to the gym once and you're like, hey, am I fit? No, probably not. Same with if you go to counseling or like mental health therapy. If you go once and you're like, I feel so much better, but then you don't do it, you will not see the long-lasting results. So they're all the same. You do need to use this 3 to 5 times a week in the beginning, and then you can kind of decrease it as you see results. I would say like at least a month of 3 to 5 times a week. Don't go over 6 days a week because you can kind of upset your skin and you can do too much. But 3 to 5 times a week is a good number. That's the average, and then you can decrease as you go on. The other thing about this is if you do use injectables, people sometimes comment on my videos, they're like, how can I tell if this is true because you use like Botox and you have fillers and all this stuff? First of all, I have never had a filler in my life, nor do I ever plan to. I mean, things could change, but at the moment I don't plan to. I do get Dysport, whatever you call it, in my forehead. That's it. I've talked about that on other videos, and I used to get some under my eyes, but there's nothing going on there. There's lots of wrinkles. So I do get Dysport, which is a version of Botox, in my forehead every like 3 to 4 times a year, maybe not even 4 times anymore, but like maybe 2 to 3 times a year now. So yes, I do get that, but I've never had a filler. Like, I think you could see these cheekbones are natural. Anyway, what I was trying to say about that is that you do have to wait 10 days after using any type of injectable before using your ZIIP. I feel like that's reasonable. I would just wait a full 2 weeks. That's also when you are supposed to see your results from any injectable or Botox or whatnot. So just wait about 2 weeks and then you can continue using it and it will be fine. As far as what it treats, it does treat quite a lot. So a lot of the main ones I would say are sagging jowl and loss of elasticity. That is one of the big ones that this device and most microcurrent devices do target. So jowls is a big one. Puffiness is another one. I don't really have any puffiness or like experience that often, so that's not something that I kind of look to. They also do say that smile lines and crow's feet is another one. Age spots and pigmentation, dull skin and texture, and then uneven skin tone. For me, the biggest thing is the elasticity and increasing my collagen levels. You will get a sort of temporary lifting effect. For me, that is big, especially in the jowls, because your lower face as you age can kind of droop. So I'm looking at the firmness, the elasticity, and then kind of that lifting effect in the short term and long term. The other thing that it does have is it has an app. That's a picture of my horse. But there is a ZIIP app. It's got 14 different treatments and 3 treatment plans on the app. You can also use it without that. It is pre-programmed with just the lifting. I think it's like a 4 or 6 minute routine. And you can just do that without having the app. But I find that the app is really useful because sometimes I'm like, I forget what I'm supposed to be doing. And the app walks you through exactly how you do it. And it's just kind of a nice, easy way to get it done without messing up. And then, like I said, there are different conductive gels, and you do have to use the conductive gel. That's the same with all microcurrent devices. You have to use it because basically it ensures a proper transmission of the electrical currents. I don't know why that was hard to say. So you're just gonna see that, like, if you try to use it on your skin, there's just gonna be like a lot of drag, and it's not gonna go very easily. So the conductive gels are important, but they also have different benefits, which I'll talk about in a second. So yes, I was saying the Lift is the 4-minute program that is pre-programmed onto this, and you do not need the app, but I would really encourage you to use it because it's a free app. It's not that big of a deal. And then you get way more treatment plans on there. Okay, so those are the basics. We talked about the price, we talked about what it works for, we talked about kind of the specs of the app, whatnot. But now let's get into the science because I think that's a really, really important part of this. And we'll be putting different graphics on the screen. I'm a visual learner. I also need to learn with my hands. So hopefully if you are more of a visual learner, these will help you as well. The thing about this device is that it uses not just one microcurrent, but it also uses nanocurrent. And like I said, there's no other device on the market that does that. And for that alone, I feel like it is superior just in general. So what microcurrent is a low intensity electrical current that is commonly used as a non-invasive electrotherapy to improve the appearance and health of skin. Microcurrent supercharges 3 key processes within your skin: muscle stimulation, that's where we get the lifting, clearing bacteria is the second one, and then ATP production. ATP is adenosine triphosphate. I can never say these names, so apology if I butcher it, but that is a chemical that you are triggering with this device. So think of microcurrent as like a gym workout for your face. So it's basically gonna help stimulate the muscles in your face. It's gonna help in lifting, toning, and sculpting your skin. And that's why when you see people using microcurrent devices, they show you like the half side where like this side will look more lifted. That is what it's doing. It's stimulating the muscle to increase that lifting, the toning, and sculpting. So with all that said, microcurrent is going to give you a very immediate effect, but those effects are not long lasting. So that's where nanocurrent comes in. Nanocurrent is very different than microcurrent. It's not also as noticeable to the skin. If you've ever tried a microcurrent device, you can kind of feel it. It like twitches in your face. Nanocurrent is, like the name would suggest, nano means smaller. It's a more subtle feeling. I don't even feel it when I have the nanocurrent on or when it's in that process, but it's softer and it mimics your body's natural electrical currents. So that sparks skin renewal and repair, which is pretty incredible. So nanocurrents are tiny electrical currents. These waveforms work on a cellular level, triggering, like I said before, the production of ATP. So ATP naturally declines as we get older. ATP is also responsible for giving our cells energy, and this is what they need to repair and strengthen. So by stimulating the production of this chemical over time, nanocurrent gives a brighter, more rejuvenated complexion and reduces signs of aging. So this device has dual waveform technology, like we talked about, microcurrent and nanocurrent, which is unlike other EMS, which is electrical muscle stimulant devices. And this will actually give you more long-lasting results because the other ones are all going to be temporary and you would have to use them literally every single day, but they're also, those results are not going to carry over. Whereas this device with the nanocurrent, those results will improve over time and continue. Okay, let's now talk about the gels. I've talked about them a little bit, but I'm going to talk about them even more. So the gels are essential. Like I said, you really can't use this device, and Lord, have I tried, just because because I am a lazy girl at heart. It just doesn't glide, but it also needs the gels for that electrical transmission. So there are 4 different gels. The original gel is the ZIIP Electrical Complex Conductive Gel. That's the one I have. It's a lovely, lovely gel, and I find that it's a lot easier to use than some of the others because it's got a very thin consistency and it also rinses off really cleanly. A lot of the others that are like goopy, I feel like I have to scrub to get them off. This one you do not have that issue with. And I will put a picture on the screen talking about the other gels, but we have a golden gel, a crystal gel, and a silver gel. For the golden, it's supposed to help firm and renew with bioplacenta, niacinamide, and 24 karat gold. Woo, so fancy. The crystal gel is supposed to brighten and even tone with glutathione and botanical extracts. And then the silver gel is supposed to soothe and hydrate with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and aloe. Okay, so as far as our results, what can you expect? So for me, the biggest thing as I use this device as I get older is that I do really want to see my lower face lifted. I don't have issues with the upper face. First of all, I got my Dysport in there, but most people don't really have sagging of their upper face. I mean, you may, and then sometimes people get like a eye lift or whatever. I'm not talking about that, but most people as they get older, they'll start to see the sagging jowls, or they just kind of have a little bit of issues with the jowls in general. And this is exactly where this device comes in. So you are not only getting those immediate results with the microcurrent, but you're also getting those longer lasting nanocurrent results. Like I said, the lifting, but also the tightening, that is one of those things that goes hand in hand. I have seen those results when I'm consistent with using it, and I'm really focusing on the lower part of my face. So for me, the results that I have seen the most are from my lower part of my face and then around my eyes. Like I said, I don't use any injectables around my eyes, but I feel like when I'm not smiling, when I'm just kind of sitting here, it looks like I've had work done, but I haven't. Because look, the second I smile, I got those lines, which for me is fine. I like wrinkles around my eyes. It shows that I've lived and I've laughed and I've smiled, that kind of thing. But I do see results when I use this consistently. And like I said, my forehead is really not my focus. I do prefer to just get Dysport there. I have a lot of forehead wrinkles, and this device, while it does do a lot for wrinkles and fine lines, it's not going to replace an injectable like Dysport or Botox. So Dysport, I keep saying it wrong, Dysport, I think is how you pronounce it. Anyway, it will help improve them, but it's not like these lines around my eyes, it's not going to just erase them. That's just not, no device is going to do that, but it will help over time kind of minimize the effects of those fine lines and wrinkles. And like I said, I think the biggest thing that you can really expect out of a microcurrent or a nanocurrent device, and this one has both, is that lifting. You will see very, very noticeable results of using it one time. I think the biggest thing that you can really hope for is that, and the fine lines and wrinkles being kind of minimized is secondary in my opinion. But it does claim to do all of them. Kind of just depends on your skin, your age, how often you use it, a lot of different things. So that is it. I hope that makes more sense to you now with the science, the benefits, the results, how I use it. You've seen pictures, that kind of thing. Don't forget, you always get a 10% discount using this code DANA10, and that is also with the link in my description. You got to use that one. That's also going to get you that discovery set for free, which is amazing. You'll get this one plus the discovery set plus the ZIIP, and of course like the charger and whatnot. So that wraps up episode 2. I've got so many more exciting ones coming, and again, thank you so much for ZIIP for sponsoring this video. Love it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.